Hello, good afternoon, dear students. Today we will be doing the same chapter and we will again focus on how to name the angles in different ways, especially how to name the angles in two ways. So, today I have brought some questions here. We will focus on these questions. So, your question is, so please, students, look at board very carefully. Name the following angles in two ways. So now here you are given with different angles and you have to name these angles in two ways. You have to name these angles in two ways. So as you can see in question number A, there is one angle. An angle always forms with the help of two arms. Here the two arms are, one arm is your CA, another arm is your AN. So these two arm CA and arm NA, they have met at point A. So therefore your point A is your vertex, and in this vertex, in the vertex A, angle has been formed. So we are going to write the name of this angle in two ways. So while naming the angles in two ways, always you have to consider some basic things. The basic things is here, at first you must write the symbol of angle. You are supposed to write the symbol of angle. Similarly, you are supposed to write the angle name in capital letter. Small letters are not allowed. And similarly, last step is that the vertex must lies in middle. So let's begin solution. So students, first of all you have to write the symbol of angle while naming the angle. So symbol of angle is your this is your symbol of angle. Always you must write this. This is compulsory. This is symbol of angle. So students, now let's see the question. As you can see, A is your vertex. A is your vertex. So A must lies in middle. A हाम्रो भर्टेक्स हो, त्यसैले हामीले भर्टेक्सलाई जहिले पनि बीचमा राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. It means either you can write C as first or N as first. A लाई बीचमा राख्नुको मतलब हो या त हामीले अगाडि C लेख्न पाइन्छ या त हामीले अगाडि N लेख्न पाइन्छ. So writing C as first, यदि हामीले C लाई पहिले लेख्यौ भने angle C. Now at middle you must write A, as your A is the vertex. You are not supposed to write N here, because if you write N in the middle it will be wrong. So always in the middle there will be vertex. जहिले पनि बीचमा vertex हुनुपर्ने हुन्छ. So students, here our vertex is A, so therefore we will write A. Angle CA. Now at last N. Angle CAN. Now let's see in another way. So another way to name the angle is, another way to name this angle is, just you have to reverse this. So another way will be angle NAC. So students, you can see in first way we wrote C as first. हामीले फर्स्टमा चाहिँ C लाई अगाडि लेखेको छौं भने अब दोस्रोमा हामीले N लाई अगाडि राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. So students, you have to begin from N. So you have to write angle symbol, angle N, and then angle N, then A, at last C. Angle NAC. Angle NAC. So students, you can see A is our vertex. Vertex always lies in middle. Vertex always lies in middle. So similarly, now let's solve this question. Let's name it as R M A. So students, you can see there are two arms. One is your RM and another arm is your AM. They have met at point M, so therefore M is your vertex. So vertex always must lie in the middle while naming the angle. So let's write. So this is your symbol of angle. Now you have to either begin from R or you can begin from A. So angle R M A. As M is a vertex must lies in middle. So in the first way we wrote R in front. Now in second way we will write A in front. अब हामीले A लाई पहिले लेख्छौं. Angle A. Now vertex is here M, so vertex must lies in middle. A M R. Angle A M R. One way is your angle R M A. Another way is your A M R. Your vertex is M, so therefore here again vertex M lies in middle. So students, hope you have understood it very well. So now I will give you some homework for today. Please complete this at your home. Question number A. F C B. FCB. M U N. Question number C. A T M. So students, today I have given you these three questions as a homework. So you have to write these three questions in two ways. You have to write the name of these three angles in two ways. Hope you will complete it at your home. So students, this much for today. In the next class we will be doing some other exercises related to this chapter. So till then, take care. Thank you so much.